Okay guys, I want to show you how to quickly and cheaply free create some great YouTube thumbnails, because this is important for growing your YouTube channel. So if you don't have any great pictures or any great skills like me, what you can do is come over to unsplash.com, and then for this particular thumbnail that I'm making tonight, I want it to kind of have a shocked or secretive look. So rather than me taking a picture and doing that, which maybe I should for my own branding, but maybe you don't want to put your face out there for whatever other reason, you're in a hurry like I am, just feeling lazy. You come over, I typed in shocked, I could have went secret, something like that. So I want to find something that looks a little bit shocked. Mouth open is awesome, or mouth covered is awesome, especially mouth open for YouTube. I don't know why, but all the studies show that if you have a drop mouth on your YouTube thumbnail, it tends to help. So that is something we might look for. I like this. It has both. The mouth is kind of open and the secretive they're covering up. So we're going to download that. That's going to be my photo. I'm going to leave this open because I'm going to come back and give credit to this person in the description on my YouTube video. Then what I will do is I will come over to remove.bg, and I will upload that image from my downloads, and it's right there. So it is uploading, and you used to have to do all this in Photoshop, and this is just so easy now. And voila, there it is, background removed. Here's the original. This gives us the one with the background removed. Now I will download that. Once I have that downloaded, then I will jump over to Canva, which is an absolutely free tool, and we go to YouTube. Thumbnail is what we're looking to create, so I type that in. You can see I already have some others, but here it will populate. And then you can use a blank thumbnail and create whatever you want, or you can use one of these that's kind of already set up for you. So what I might do is, let's just see if this yellow works good, and I'll test it out. So we'll go yellow. Then I will have to upload that picture. So upload media from my device. It's probably going to take me to my downloads. There's my one that's cropped. Here it comes as an upload. And this young lady right here, I actually will be able to just drag her right on top of there, and it should replace that picture. Okay, now that she's fully uploaded, I grab, drag and drop, and it's there. I want to kind of shrink her down so I can make her fit in here a little better. Maybe I'll go over in the corner. Yeah, I don't love the fact that it's squared off here. I wish that shoulder, actually, that shoulder is there. I wouldn't have chose it. Voila, there we go. See, even I still make mistakes. And then whatever you want to title your video, you're just going to put it in here and make it the topic. So, how to spy on other YouTube channels. Now you're like, oh, that don't look good. Well, we're going to stretch it out a little bit, and then we can highlight all this and change the font size. So I want to take it down below, or you can even scroll this way. So, let's try to 88. I want a little more space, but Okay, so I adjusted the font a little bit there, how to spy on other YouTube channels, and then, find the best titles and tags that your let's just leave it. Find the best titles and tags. I gotta stretch that out and make that fit as well. Maybe we can do something like I'm not a graphic designer by any means, and you guys may say what I do is hideous, but just anything to make it pop. So how to spy on other YouTube channels, find the best titles and tags. Maybe we can... There we go. So I'm going to use that. Works for me. Then you'll want to download it, name this file, actually the same title as your YouTube video. But that's easy. You can see how easy that is. Took me a couple minutes. No money. Didn't require any graphic design skills, photography skills, or anything else. And then I will go back to Unsplash, copy the credit to the website and to the photographer, and add that in the description of my YouTube video, because it's the right thing to do, though it's not required. But I hope that helps and blesses. If you learned anything, do me a favor, smash that subscribe button. Hit, I hear people say that all the time. I'm sorry I said that. I don't like when they say smash the subscribe. I've watched so much YouTube videos that I've picked up their lingo. Don't smash that subscribe button. Just subscribe to my channel if you're learning anything. Give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment if there's anything you want me to do a video on concerning marketing, YouTube, e-commerce, making money online, any of that. And I would love to, and it helps me be found by more people so that I can help them and continue to give away free content. Appreciate it.